Welcome back. This is the last part of the playlist. The sky we painted earlier on is dry, and now we can paint the trees on it. Just like grass, I find it easier to paint trees using multiple layers. I usually begin by blocking in the trees without worrying about any detail. For the second layer, I paint the darker tones in the trees at the back and in the shadow areas because light is falling from the other side of the forest. For the leaves, use small dabs of the distinct grayish-green shade to render the form. I repeat the procedure using a lighter and warmer shade of the same color. Shade the trunks and canopy areas to create an illusion of depth. I prefer using a rigger or a narrow flat brush for this. Once done, use just a few dabs of the blue we used on the sky to paint the negative spaces so as to show the exposed sky behind this area. If you find yourself starting to rush, just take a break and come back when you are refreshed. That way, you'll put in the effort that this painting deserves. Everything has pretty much fallen in place. Now let's finalize by making a few adjustments and adding the intricate details. This is the finished painting. I'm quite pleased with it. The only thing left is for it to dry in open air. I'd like to know what you feel could have been done better. Please share your thoughts in the comment section. If you like this video, there is a lot more to come, so please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video and have a wonderful day.